You don't ever place trade where market just weak you out, then turn go your direction. No be bad luck o, na liquidity. Make I break am down. Back then when I dey trade price action, once price sweep my level, we dey call am fake out. Bro, you see that fake out? that thing don chop my stop loss wella. Later, as I switch to SMC, the struggle still continue. Mark demand, boom, price go sweep am. Mark supply, boom, sweep again. Like, na so market dey use me as liquidity. E con reach points where I can't even fear mark support level. I dey wait for fake out like say na X wey go surely return. But here's the truth. In this market, it's either you spot the liquidity or you are the liquidity. So firstly, make we understand liquidity. So wetin be liquidity? Liquidity now na just like money wey be say dey sit down above highs and below lows. See am for here. Okay, you fit just write am down. So na him big players dey target. Stop losses na him they call liquidity. Your money, my money, our money, anyhow you put that guy, like na him be liquidity. So all those big players now, they target our money day by day. So once you hear liquidity, where your head just go money, stop losses. So say once price hits you out, that means you don't lose. And if you lose, another person for somewhere again. Okay, so na him we dey call liquidity. So before we go how to avoid it, make we talk about how you fit export them so you can understand. Okay, liquidity now. We get external and internal liquidity. But today we no go too dive deep like that. I go just break them small, like top for una, make una understand them. So liquidity, we get types of liquidity. Now for internal liquidity, you see as I say above highs and below lows, you see this high like this. Now phone I dey use record though. My laptop is giving me issue, but make I dey teach you. All these things make I dey talk like this. Now stuff here I already understand, okay? You see this high make I draw like this line. Now liquidity be that. Because you get people wey be say sell around that side. They don't already sell. Maybe they don't sell from here. Okay, they don't sell from here. Maybe their targets will be around here. Price action traders, it depends on the strategy you dey trade. All strategy they work. I no go lie you, marker. You just have to get edge for that strategy. So, but although my lowest risk to reward ratio na 5, this one, if you can see clearly, is 2.24. So I know they trade like this, So for example, you enter now around here. You see where your stop loss dey? This side where your stop loss dey. Now liquidity. Okay, now liquidity that they call them. So this side now, if price pull back, if price do move like this, see where price dey back currently, it can't move somehow like this. Then take you out. You see move like this. Now sweep of liquidity, because price just come back and sweep you out. Because if you notice, it still get liquidity for up where price go sweep. All these stuffs maybe say you they see, so now liquidity. So where liquidity dey? Ask yourself, liquidity now dey for around place we be say you dey enter trade, like your support, resistance, trend lines, you understand? All those stuffs now liquidity, and price need to take them out. Price need liquidity to move. So even this low now, but that one highs I marked earlier. You see low, right? Even this lows too. Now still liquidity be this. Because price need to sweep, and we get people will be say don't already buy maybe around this zone. It depends on the indicator way or strategy you use. Maybe if you use moving average now, for example, you figure your signal around here, then you buy. Say moving average signal the delay. Make I adjust this one a little for now. And make I just come out down. I say you go long around here now. Cool. Now here you get your confluence. You can set your stop loss below this low small. Then drag your take profit. You see, price feasting come back and take you out. Because it never sweep liquidity. No definite liquidity sweep there for there. Price feasting come back and take you out. Although price sweep liquidity, so it is hard for them to come back there, but it could surely come back there. Like you see this line here now, make I mark. Let me show you. I confirm liquidity sweep. That is why I enter for that trade. See this side, but price don't already take them out. Price don't sweep liquidity before it can start go direction. So as a sweep liquidity, I just zoom into lower time frame. All these things we are the talk now. I don't know if you understand me, but you know go understand everything once, okay? You know if you just understand everything once, with time the thing go dey clear for you. But one thing I go tell you, but just dey consistent. You see me like this, I know they perfect. But all these things where I learn, it take me time. I know like for you when I start more, I no get all this knowledge, I no get things figured out, so everything they hard for me. So you see now like this now, liquidity. Make I show you example now. You see like highs and lows, like equal highs and equal lows. Price action trader they call them double top and double bottom. So equal highs and equal lows too. Liquidity they rest above and below them. For example, this equal highs now, liquidity they around here. The high. Okay, I know. Okay, make I see if I feel right. X. I'm on the struggle. So you see this X now, just maybe X I want right. I wonder as I they talk too much. Dollar. Liquidity now money, so if you just write them as dollar. You see this equal highs now, money there for there, so price needs to come sweep them. And equal lows. A price action they call double bottom. Money still there around there. We price need to come sweep. See something like this, but double bottom. So people they don't buy already from this low. So price need to take them out. So if you see something like this, double top, double bottom, just notice na liquidity be that. Make I show a live example for chart so now go fit see. Currently we dey Euro USD 4 hours time frame. Make I zoom in go 1 hour time frame. Or probably 30 minutes. You see where I enter for this trade, but if you noticed, I wait for liquidity sweep, then I get my confirmation. See consolidation example now. See consolidation. I go still go back where I want teach you now, but as I see this one, make I just talk about and then move. You see this consolidation for here, now still liquidity, but as an SMC trader, we dey call them accumulation. So if you see price, they waka like this. If I come this side, they waka like this. It no go dey exactly the way I dey draw one, but in the price no they go up and they go down. We just dey one place. We dey call them accumulation. Okay, we dey call them accumulation. Like I just say, you see price somehow like this. They go up, they go down. Okay, depends on the terms where you dey call them. If you call them say price they in range, you dey correct. If you say accumulation, you dey correct. If you say consolidation, all of them you dey correct. All strategy they work. Just if you get edge inside. So price action traders feel mark something like resistance, right? And support below the levels. You see something like this, resistance and support. So they're going to trade them. But price go surely take them out. Price go like break this accumulation phase. It go surely break them. You understand? So this one too now liquidity. So if you see price they work out like this, now liquidity. So now be my confluence for there will make me enter that trade. If you noticed, if you spot them with this block, make I change the color of the block to red. I'm on the struggle. You see this thing, make I mark as red, make I adjust them. You see I'm back, waiting for here. Price just they move till it can't break and sweep liquidity. Tap me in. Daily tap me in, it just go my direction. So, and it's still see where I hit TP. This trade now, today trade. So make I continue, make I show now double top and double bottom as I've been they talk earlier. Okay, example of double top now. Thank God we don't need to go far. We'll just use this one as example. We'll say you see something like this now, right? Double top. Now liquidity. Price will surely come back on sweep and which it do. You see, if you come this side now, see where price sweep and make I draw this thing. You see I'm back for this side. Price waiting, come sweep them. You see this candle now in break them. price come sweep am. See this low, this side wey price break for here again, na still liquidity. This swing low, you fit call am high, you fit call am low. This swing low na liquidity. You see say price break am, ba price sweep am. Cause e get people wey buy, make I say they buy around this side. Maybe as they see price they go up, this small move, price they move, they come buy, price won't go up. So price have to take them out. You get hit their stop loss around this side, then go direction. Okay, make I continue showing our examples. Even this stuff for here now, where you see here, now liquidity. Every day, now wetin price they do, price they collect liquidity continuously. That is money, people money. They collect people money every day. You see this liquidity, immediately price sweep am. Now here I just enter because I know say price go sweep am. That is the overall own. No be just that one, the overall liquidity. As price just sweep am, now here I gain my entry ASAP. So all those stuff like that now liquidity. Anything wey you no understand for this video, people ask me, okay? I will try my best reply on as best as I can. So make we now talk about how you fit take avoid them. How you fit take avoid them now? Firstly, don't just jump at obvious highs and lows. That means you just see price start waka, you could just enter something like this now. The price just start waka now. You see this low waiting for here. As I say earlier, say now liquidity. If you get your confluence around, so as I dey talk, if you get your confluence around here, now if you just enter. Although this one sharp price already sweep liquidity, but make we say you know sweep liquidity, you can enter around here. Currently at the 4 hours time frame, you can set your stop loss for this low for here, right? Maybe your take profits can be here. So price fee just you get just reverse can sweep this liquidity. As I tell you, liquidity dey above highs and below lows. Your support, your resistance, your double top, double bottom, anyhow you call them equal highs or lows, and liquidity be that. Cool. Price fee just do something like this. Might say you target this high now. Depends on how greedy you do. Some people they greedy too much for this thing. I know be so it's supposed to be. You're not supposed to be greedy. If not, friends go chop you well. So see price features do something like this. Take them out, then go the main direction. You get then go the main direction. If it things up like this, I tell you. So no just enter anyhow. Before you go enter, if you notice above this side, I don't draw line already at the wait. Price need to come sweep that liquidity before I go gain entry. Even for the lower one, make I enter. If you notice, I show now say I wait for waiting liquidity before I enter. I no just jump enter. You see this? Make I show now how. See this low for here, see where price sweep am. You see say price sweep am that is price take liquidity as it come reverse start go up. I just zoom into lower time frame, confirm I change, then enter the trade. So every day now wetin price they do daily with this, they always collect liquidity. So no fit say you smart or you wise or you no wan miss out the trade, so you go come hurry just to enter the trade. Not the trade like that one na gamble. Okay. So as I talk, make we go to the next one. So don't wait for liquidity sweep before entry. Now same thing I talk now. Wait for liquidity sweep. You see as I use mark liquidity price sweep and then reverse. You see this high for here, this I feel use mark the high for now, so now I go see clearly inside the top of this high for here now. Now liquidity. So I go wait for price sweep am before I go enter, or the lower one, which is this one. I go wait for price sweep am before I enter any of them. Okay. Then thirdly, I won't come out this stupid thing, but you know one mark. I just delete all of them. Thirdly, understand inducement first. Remove inducement just be like fake demand. If you dey look for entry, always wait. Maybe say you get confluence price fit do fake demand without this thing liquidity. So where liquidity dey for near your POI, that is your point of interest, where you wan enter trade, if na support level or that is supply or demand, I mean. Okay, where liquidity dey close to am, very close to am. Like you see, for example, you see my liquidity for here, this red stuff, sorry, can comot this thing. See this red thing where I mark now, ba, this one for here, na my liquidity be that. So I wait as price sweep am, it carry me come inside, then start go my direction with force. So liquidity dey very important. Wey price see liquidity before e move. Okay, no just enter based on how you feel, on your feelings. Dem no dey trade like that. As I take talk earlier, the hardest part of trading no be strategy, na you as a trader. Then what else? Wetin dey again? Okay, I don explain finish. So wetin I go just get tell una be say, you see one thing about this forex wey we dey do ba, if everybody dey see am, that means market maker sef dey see am. That is why they go clear am first. So you see that support, resistance, all those trend line wey you dey see, dem sef dey see am, and they go comot people out of the trade. Okay, so if you no fit hunt liquidity, liquidity go hunt you. No forget that one. No forget that in trading na either you hunt liquidity or liquidity go hunt you. So if you want small breakdown like this, we no get grammar, just straight to the point, subscribe. Okay, this journey no easy, but with the right mindset you go last.